Hi everyone, welcome to this LiveU Studio tutorial session about sports or esports production. We'll cover the basics because LiveU Studio provides you with all the features to be confident in producing live events, even with only one operator. We'll keep our example very simple. 2 cameras in sync on the same subjects and the means to replay the best actions, all from your web browser. As you may already know, you can mix many more cameras and video assets and have up to 4 replay players on your mixer. Let's start with a quick setup for sports production. We'll start with a new project which we dedicate to that workflow to avoid any confusion. In the new project, we need to add a new live event to build the workflow. Let's add 2 LRT channels to decode 2 cameras, 2 angles from the same action. The LRT protocol will ensure that all cameras are coming in sync to the cloud. If we would use third-party encoders, we would use NTP timecodes embedded into the live feeds, and Studio would sync them all together. We simply need to activate ISO recording for both LRT inputs on the Side Media Bin tab, ISO recording. Make sure to check both inputs and start recordings. They are now both marked for recording. We want to add 2 replay players to be able to replay any of the 2 angles. Plus, add input, Media Players tab, Replay Player. Studio asks how many replay players I want to add. 2. And for each replay player, I can associate which ISO recording I want to use with Studio 1 and Studio 2, which are our 2 LRT channels to decode our 2 cameras. I want to upload a graphic transition to go between live and slow motion replays. I click on this gear between Preview and Program. Let's pick the third transition and configure it as a graphic transition. I upload my APNG animation. Done. Finally, it is worth configuring some hotkeys for the replay feature on the top right corner on the gear icon and select Replay to configure the replay settings. Without any specific hardware, I can use my computer keyboard to go super fast. We can now start the test and connect our 2 cameras. While it connects, I like changing the tile size to large. ISO recording and replay players are starting automatically, as you can see. Let's pretend I'm the only operator, and I have not defined any hotkeys yet. All I have is the mouse and my keyboard to use the default transitions hotkeys. You will see how simple it is to operate Studio and Instant Replay. I see a goal. First, I need to activate replay mode. I can rewind back to the goal in an instant. All replay players are rewinding or moving forward at the same time for all angles. I can choose the speed rate of my replay thanks to this T-bar. Let's set it to around 50% to play with slow motion. It will stick to that setting until I change it again. Then I simply take the replay player of the first angle to program with a graphic transition, for instance. The audience will understand we are watching a replay. I can now take the second angle to program with a fade. It's the same action from a different angle. Finally, I can come back to the live camera with the graphic transition and continue to mix the production. It is that simple. In the next tutorial, we'll explore how the Contour Shuttle Pro can be leveraged for instant replay with a true physical production sensation. To learn more about the LiveU ecosystem, feel free to contact your local representative in your region or via the contact form on our website. Thank you for watching.